Okie doke. So let me back it up so you can see how this looks. This is a hot tub that was made out of an IBC tank. It was, I think they're 300 gallon or 330 gallon. You get kind of mixed feedback on that. I'm running it with bromine. That's what that is in there. Right now I have just the filter running, not the jets or the heater. I just cleaning in the water because I have very high iron. This is my lid. Because I'm older than most people who are doing these, and I'm not that strong, I cut it in half, which has worked quite nicely. So I'm happy with that. All right, over here is where everything comes together. So the hot tub is not simply plug and play. I tried to set it up so that it ran on solar. So that's an EcoFlow River 2 Max. It's not that strong. This is a 200 watt Bose, I think that's how you say it, Bose RV or Bouge RV solar panel. It's flexible so I can hang it there. It's not too heavy. I don't have to make any changes. You can see right now that it's actually not too bad. It's not sunny right now, so it's pulling in very little. The tank is heated with a 16-liter hot water propane heater on demand. So I just keep a 20-gallon tank next to it, and it works great. This little box up here is for my lights. At night, the lights are on. It's nice. So everything runs down here inside of my stairs. I'm just going to take this off so we can take a look. So the stair comes off, and then down here we have a I think it's 3 gallon per minute 12 volt pump, and a standard is a very, very simple Intex pool pump running this whole thing, because it's a tiny pool. I mean, after everything's all said and done, it's not. Electrical is not quite finished yet. I'm going to mount it higher and make sure that it's protected from the water. And I'm adding another pump, a third pump. All of the systems are independent of one another. So what that means is the filtering of the water in the pool are handled by the Intex pool pump. The presentation of the hot water are handled by this particular pump here. And then I have a third pump that is going to be running my jets. Now my jets will be put in tomorrow. They're not it just slides right in there. They're not air jets. I chose not to do air jets because I find them to be a little bit too noisy. So I think that's nice is just come up these stairs, and the first thing everybody says, well, how do you get out? That's tomorrow's project, maybe Sundays. Today's Friday. I need to make, I'm making very low benches. I didn't really want to make them right now. I want to see what it feels like when I'm in it before I go ahead and do that. But this tub gets very hot very quickly. This tank does a fantastic job. It can heat up the entire thing to 100 and 405 degrees in an hour, no problem. So I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. You can see there, it's pretty solid. I used to have one of those inflatable ones, but it didn't hold the heat. There's 3 inches of insulation on the bottom and 2 inches of insulation all the way around. So it stays very, very warm. If I heat this up, it'll be really warm tomorrow morning. So probably going to add something so I can just turn it on from my cell phone and get everything going, and it's done. So pretty happy with it. You'll be seeing some more videos on each of the steps.